day ride up to kind of like the Truckee area of California. So it feels good to be back on a bike after like 3 months sitting. Well, I will shut the video off now, and I will turn it back on when I get to the location. Alrighty, you guys, let's see what we can find. Bye. Well, I'm gonna go to this other place. I don't know how much snow's there, but we'll find out. So yeah, so no, I'm just gonna go with Bowman. Those rocks alongside the train tracks kind of scare me because they're really sharp. I always think they're gonna puncture my tire. Can't feel my hands either. Okay, this is gonna be the fun part. Oh God. let's continue. My bat, what the heck is going on? I'm like freaking. I feel like I can definitely get lost out here. Alright, so my battery died. I put a new one in. And we're off again. I ran into a dead end back there, so I don't know if that was on the video or not, but we're gonna keep going. Not sure where. Oh God. Everything looks good. Yep. Let's roll. Oh God. What do you, if you guys have any recommendations for a good tire that's like a 70/30 tire that has pretty decent mileage or whatever. So I'm running the TKC 80s. I went through 2 of them already, but only like 2,000 miles each, so I was thinking, I think they're the Trail Max, not Trail Max, the Rally Z's, that's all I know. I think they're the Rally Z's. Just looking at those, pretty knobby, and a decent front tire. I want something a little more traction in the front because these suck. It always wants to wash out in the front, where it shouldn't even do that. So, God, dude, it's so nice out. Oh, that's a big puddle. See if I can find those people. Whoops. They should be. Did you guys lose a chainsaw?
Yeah. Did you find it? Yeah. Did I find that?
It was on the road.
Oh, right.
Well, guys, that's it for the day. I think I'm gonna head back home. Okay. Why does this keep shutting off? For some reason my headset and my helmet keeps shutting off. I don't know why, but yeah, I'm gonna head home. Gotta work early in the morning. You know, gotta pay those bills. Hopefully I'm gonna try to do more videos. Try to do as much moto camping as possible. Definitely would love to do that, you know. Actually, I do wanna. Whoever's done the Alaskan trip, would you please like message me on Instagram or something, because I want to do it so bad, but I don't know really where I should start, you know, like what I should bring. Should I really need to buy an extra pair of tires and haul them with me, or just stuff like this? I just would like to talk to someone who's actually done before. So what I can expect, like going through the Canadian border. I've never done anything like that before, so, and that's my dream trip, is going to Alaska. So yeah, well guys, go out there and explore. There's millions of trails out there, and your adventure bike's waiting. So peace out. This is Walker. Have a good day.